Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on number exercises part 1. This video is a continuation of revision exercises that I've been presenting just to help you go over a lot of the work that we've done in all the past videos. Now, what we've got the questions set out as per normal and the answers are all at the end. So you go through these at your leisure, pause the video, write the answers on a sheet of paper, and then you can check the answers at the end. I'll just leave this up for about 5 seconds before I go to the next one. This is the second slide, and I'll leave it up for about 10 or 15 seconds. You pause it for as long as you want and write the answers on a sheet of paper, and the answers will be at the end. And this is the last slide on this video. Please look at it, pause it when you need, write the answers on your sheet, and I'll move on to the answers very shortly. This is the first answer sheet. Stop it for as long as you like and double check the answers that you've written on your sheet of paper. That's what the video's for, to help you. You're in total control. You can stop this for as long as you like. I'll go on to the next sheet in 5 seconds. This is the second answer sheet. Same rule applies. I'll leave it up for 10 or 15 seconds before I move to the last one. And this is the last answer sheet before the video finishes.